Let's make a spicy breakfast wrap. I'm going to use some tater tots, sausage patties, eggs, cheese wraps, ignore the tortillas, some sauteed mushrooms with onion, the everything bagel seasoning, and sriracha. You're going to start by dicing up your onion, dicing up your mushrooms, saute the onion in olive oil. After the onions cook for a little bit, you're going to add your chopped mushrooms. And then you're going to saute both of those together until the mushrooms get nice and nutty and brown. Next, I cracked a whole bunch of eggs, added a little bit of milk and salt and pepper. You don't have to use this many eggs. I just wanted to use the rest that I had. Heat up a pan with a little bit of oil or butter. And I'm using this method to scramble them. You can scramble them however you want. I just think this way looks cooler. You're going to take out a couple Parmesan wraps, sprinkle them with everything bagel seasoning. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. You are going to want to cook these wraps for about 7 minutes to heat them up. Next, I'm going to cook tater tots in my air fryer. I cook them first for 7 minutes at 390 degrees. After 7 minutes, pull them out, shake them around, and then you're going to cook them for another 4 minutes. Everyone's air fryer is different, so just do it until they're brown. My Parmesan wraps are ready and out of the oven. You are going to cut a slit from the middle to an edge. And then if you like spicy stuff, my fiance does, I'm just sprinkling sriracha all over the wrap. After that, this is what my assembly line looks like. We've got the wraps, sausage, cheese, tater tots, onions and mushroom, and scrambled egg. You can do this in whatever order, but I put the scrambled egg in first, sprinkled some cheese over it. These Jimmy Dean sausage patties you cook for a minute in the microwave. They're from the dollar store. And then I chopped up the tater tots a little bit just to make them easier to fold. And last but not least is the mushroom and onion. So to make this wrap, you fold it up, and then to the right, and then to the bottom. There is an art I have not yet perfected, but I'm getting pretty close. I cannot tell you guys how amazing these wraps are. And it looks super delicious. Look at that. Again, you can use any ingredients for your breakfast wrap, but these were the ones that I had on hand and that I used today. I had some tater tots left over, so put them on the side and use sriracha instead of ketchup. I'm eating low carb, so mine has spinach instead of tater tots. And I use mayonnaise because I can't handle spicy stuff. But this is what mine looks like. Please like and follow for more. Thank you.